Hey guys, I'm going to have you doing a Desmos activity today to explore scatterplots. So this one's kind of cute. It's called Classy Cats, and I just wanted to talk you through it before setting you free to do it on your own. So this point right here on the coordinate plane, you have the capability of moving that point on the x-axis by dragging it along this way, and notice what that does to the cat. Then you also have the capability of moving that point up and down on the y-axis. And I just want you to pay attention to what that does to the cat. So play around with that. Go to the next screen. Read this section here about what it takes for a cat to be classy versus not classy, and see if you can identify a pattern between all these classy cats up here and these non-classy cats down here. What is it about a cat that makes it classy versus non-classy? Type in your answers, make sure you share it with the class. Now you have an opportunity to play around with a cat and make it classy. Make this cat look classy. It's set that this customer has ordered a cat that is 18 centimeters tall, which means this height axis here is set at 18 centimeters. Your job is to play around with the x-axis, that's the width of the bow tie, to make it classy. Push the try it button, see how it goes with you, see if you can make a classy cat. And what you should be paying attention to is your dot on the coordinate plane. Go to the next screen, try it again, make this cat classy, move his bow tie around, push try it, see if you can make it classy. Now we start getting into classy cat scatterplot. Based on your previous two answers, they're going to give you these two dark blue dots. So yours are going to look different than mine. It says your points are shown in dark blue, and just write in here what you notice about these points. If you had done it correctly, your points are going to end up being in a different place than mine. Write a noticing, share it with the class. And now move this red dot around the coordinate plane. Now you have the capability of moving it on the y-axis at your will and move it on the x-axis at your will, and make sure that you are dragging it in such a way that you are answering this question. Your job, make this cat taller than any of the other cats on the graph, and by that they mean these ordered pairs on the graph, but also keeping it classy. So whatever you determined a classy cat to be based on what you did before, make it classy, but make it taller. Going to the next one, same kind of idea. Look at this big cat with the tiny little bow tie. Your job, drag the point to create a short cat with a not classy bow tie. So your job now is to make him little with a non-classy tie, whatever you determined that to be. So play around with that, please. And I just wanted to give you guys a visual of how to move the points around, what your goal was. Notice you've got 14 slides here. I'm just going to let you make sure you're reading the directions, writing in answers, and sharing them with the class before you go on to the next screen. So I will know that this assignment was completed just based on your progress. You don't have to submit it at the end. I will just be able to see that it's done. Good luck, have fun with this, and let me know if you have any questions.